think, Jim? I mean, where do you see 2026 going? You think we can surpass this year?
Yeah, I do. And a couple points I'd put out there. So first off, if you look at venture capital and private equity, they've kind of had 2 to 3 years where there hasn't been a lot of liquidity. There's 1,051 unicorns in the US, 1,500 globally. And you have a lot of companies and businesses that have sort of been growing their top line and their earnings to get ready for 26, 27. So I actually think we could see a significant step up. One last data point, we have a proprietary data set at Connor Group where we look at our clients. We help companies 12 to 18 months before an IPO. We actually survey them, what is their IPO plans? We have 114 clients looking to go out 26, 27, and that's a 75% increase from the previous year. So again, a lot of companies that are sort of been looking at the markets, right? We now have all-time highs across 5 of the indexes. There's a lot of good signs, especially with the economic sort of wins as well, that we're going to be picking up a better year 26, 27.
Jim, what do you say as far as some of the themes of what IPOs are you thinking will come? I mean, bullish has come off of its highs. I just peeked at that one. But what is the big picture on the world of digital assets and or AI?
Yeah, I think the pendulum for this year has definitely been around sort of what I would call the cream of the crop type of companies. So I think these are ones that have been sort of in that filing queue for a while, and they were sort of looking to sort of time the market to get out there. But I think what we're going to see is when the IPO pendulum gets more back to, we call it the rule of 40, right? Where earnings and revenue is about 40% combined. We're not there now. Right now, we're probably at a rule of 60 or rule of 70. So I would say more of the sort of sweet spot IPO companies, we're going to see a lot more of those. It won't just be the large cap. It'll be kind of those mid cap and small cap ones as well. I think the other comment I'll make too is that there are certain industries right now that have been a little bit dormant. I say biotech and healthcare have really been a bit challenged. I think we're going to see a lot more of those come into the market as well. In addition to that, B2B, B2C, software, SaaS, and energy type of companies out there with fintech.